Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are good at your home. So, today we will read chapter number 1 of English RB, the class play. First of all, what do you understand by what is class play? Okay, I'll tell you. The class play means from which we can focus the attention on social problems, or we can say our feelings through an act. Let's start the reading of the chapter. The children are excited. Today they are going to talk about their class play. In this chapter, these children are very excited because today they will discuss about the class play to their teacher. Okay, now we will start further. Well, children, what do you think we should put up for our class play this year? Should we do a fairy tale or an animal story? This is saying by the teacher. And now students are replying to the teacher, ma'am, how about Superman? Why not Batman? How will anyone fly in the hall or climb over the walls? The children discuss different ideas. How about Aladdin? Why not Iron Man? Why don't you all read some stories at home and we will talk about it tomorrow? Now, one student is saying, that's a good idea. Let us do that. On this page, we will read the conversation between Renu's parents and Renu. For the class play ideas, Renu borrows some books from the library to read at home. She thinks about Aladdin, Superman. I don't want to do any of these. Renu was upset. So his father asked to her, what's the matter, Renu? Why are you so upset? Papa, I am looking for a story for our class play, but these stories show only boys as strong and brave. But I don't think that's fair. Girls are equally strong and brave. Suddenly, Renu's mother enters the room. What are you talking about? Renu says to her mother, Mama, I am looking for a story for our class play. But most stories show girls to be weak. I don't think that's true. So, what shall I do? Where can I find a story for our play? Yeah, you are right. Women can do whatever they want to. You know that I am a lawyer and your grandma is a doctor. Renu's parents look at each other and smile. They suggest Renu, you can write your own story, Renu. Then Renu says, but I don't know how to write a story. I have never written one. We will help you. but you have to think about what you want to say. Well, I want to write a story in which boys and girls face difficulties together and are equally smart and brave. So, Renu and her parents discuss different ideas for the story. Finally, they hit upon means an idea comes into the mind. A good one. The next day in school, the teacher asked the children for their ideas. Okay, children, let us have your ideas about the story. I still think we should do a play on Superman. He is strong, brave, and can fly. Then another student says, how can human being fly? We should enact a story on real people in a real situation. The children discuss different stories. Then Renu share her idea. I think we should do a play in which boys and girls face a real situation with courage and smart thinking. Then teacher says, do you have a story? Renu says, I do have a plot for the story. We can write the play together. Renu narrates a story about her cousin Alka and her friends who are stranded. Stranded means stuck, or you can see the meaning here also, left in a place with no way of getting out. On a camping trip due to a storm, the teacher asked to Renu, so what they do? Renu says, Alka Didi is on a trek with her college friends. It is raining heavily. It gets dark. They are worried and don't know how to reach the camp. The path is muddy and slippery due to rain. It gets difficult to walk. So they hold hands and walk together. Soon they reach a police station. They wait there till it stops raining. Everyone seems to like the story. It sounds interesting. Of course, this is just an outline. We will have to work on it. Well done, Renu. The teacher says to Renu, we can write the play together. Then another student says, we like the story. Let us write the play. Thank you.